Good day and welcome to the Rise channel. Uh, Today I want to talk about an important topic that affects our financial lives. I previously discussed investing as a financial wealth building tool and the vehicles that can be used, such as stocks, savings accounts, bonds, and real estate. Today we will focus on investing in stocks as a financial wealth building tool. Specifically, I will be focusing on the South African investment landscape and how investing in stocks can play a crucial role in building wealth for individuals. Now, firstly, let me define what a stock is. A stock is a stock represents a share of ownership in a company. So when you buy a stock, you are actually buying a piece of a company, and you become a shareholder. Now, the price of a stock depends on the performance of the company, the sentiment around the industry that the company operates in, and the broader economic environment. So this actually then affects the stock itself. Now, investing in the stock market can be a highly effective tool in building long-term wealth. Studies have shown that over the long term, investing in stock market has outperformed other forms of investments like bonds, savings accounts, and real estate. This is especially true in economies that are driven by innovation, creativity, and dynamic entrepreneurship, such as the South African economy. Now, by investing in stocks, investors can benefit from capital appreciation as the price of the stock increases, as well as dividend payments that are paid out by companies to shareholders. Now, remember, if you've bought a stock, you're actually now a shareholder in a company. And one of the advantages of investing in stocks is that good performance by a company and the subsequent appreciation of its share prices is not just limited to geographic boundaries. So companies that are listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, as you know, it's called the JSE, have access to investors from all over the world. So anyone in the world can actually invest in the JSE. I mean, in companies that are in the JSE. This provides investors with an opportunity to participate in the growth of a company without necessarily having to be physically present in that country. So, say you want to invest in another country on stocks, you can actually buy a company in Europe, in Asia, in America. You can buy a stock in there. You don't necessarily have to be in that country to buy stocks. Now, furthermore, investing in stocks has become more accessible to people than ever before. Now, with the increase of technology, innovation and these platforms that have come on board that enable individuals to buy and sell stocks using their smartphones or computers. So, if you've got a stable or a decent connection to the internet, like a Wi-Fi and whatnot, you can actually participate in the stock market from the comfort of your own home. However, and please note that investing in the stock market comes with a huge risk. And you can actually limit the risk. There's ways you can limit the risk because the stock markets can be very volatile, and the value of investment can go up and down in a short term. This is why it is critical for you to actually then, you should be patient and be objective when it comes to investing in the stock market. And the best way of actually minimizing risk is to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of companies that are in different sectors of the economy. So let's say you invest in a company that's in real estate. You invest in a company that's actually maybe in the banking sector. Just by doing that, you're actually diversifying your portfolio. So if one sector is not performing, it doesn't necessarily mean that the next sector will be affected. So you need to just diversify your portfolio. In conclusion, investing in stocks can play a significant role in building long-term wealth. It offers the potential for high returns and is an effective way to take part in the growth of your economy. As with an investment, it comes with risks, and individuals should be patient and objective in their approach. Remember, the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not. It's a long-term strategy that requires discipline and a good understanding of the investment. Thank you for listening again. Please follow, subscribe. Don't forget to share. Thank you. If you've got any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you.